Welcome to Super Simple Stuff Outdoors. Hi, here I am playing golf at Kinver Edge. I'm gonna go in the woods now and see what we can find. The rocks on the path are there because if it rains, this will get muddy, right? It'll slip all the way down, bang, 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 boom. And you'll hurt your head, right? Well, ain't hurt your body. And then these rocks stop you from slipping. Okay.
And there's lots of other secret ways to go. Oh, that's not the way it says though, is it? Gotta keep to the...
Look!
Is that where we need to go? Good girl!
Wow!
Maybe a meteoroid hit these millions years ago and it's still there.
That's more than likely what we're missing. You think somebody rubbed it?
It's still wobbly.
Is it wobbly? I feel like it's a bit out of Frozen. It's a bit of a fixer-upper.
Look at all the moss on this one.
Hadley, you can lift it up and put it in.
This one?
Yes, what?
Woohoo!
I bet it's upside down.
That's it.
Lean it all the way. That's it, lean it over. That's it. Fine. Show us your muscles.
Which one you started doing that day?
Oh, come back. Oh, come back down again, I think. Nice.
The horses have just come past. And look what lives there. They're leaving like dinosaur hoofprints, aren't they?
We found a cave. Therefore, we're going to have a look up inside.
Oh, there's 2 entrances. Right, I'm going under that.
If you want to.
There's 2 entrances.
Whoa,
this could be the slide's exit.
Could be.
Oh, come on. Come on. It's going to be super cool. Oh. Ancient writing. Oh, there's a secret slide turn out too. I'm going to slide in. There's ancient writing in here if you want to come and see. It's super cool.
Erin.
Look, there's an even bigger cave. There's an even bigger cave. Oh, man, look. Dad.
Yeah.
There's a rock that somebody could move. Somebody who's big.
Whoa, it's cracked. Look at all this living though on here. Inside.
You can see through gaps. There's ancient writing in here. I think big ancient, but I can't read ancient. I'm going to go onto the edge.
Go on then.
We're going down the hill today.
Far enough, Hadley, do you trip and fall?
To the hunting hole.
That's far enough, Hadley. How was that?
Oh, I want to come here again. This is so fun. I love this place.
He's on top of the world. Hadley Beckett, the adventurer.
We've had an amazing walk around Kinver. We'll show you some pictures, and we've walked all the way to this checkpoint, and look what we've seen. That's this amazing view. Yeah!
So we come to the end of our little Kinver adventure, Hadley. How have you found it?
I found it brilliant.
What was your
You
favourite?
should come here sometime. My favourite was... my favourite was... going into the... going into the caves.
It's the caves.
Yeah,
The caves
going
are brilliant.
through that little hole too.
Okay, brilliant.